Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mishana, and if you are new here, I am a natural hair content creator. So this is part 3 of my CurlBox unboxing, and we already did May and June of 2022. There's no July or August, but I do have September. This is the September box and I don't remember. Okay, yeah, now I do remember what this box is about, so let me come closer. It includes their pamphlets and it tells you what is inside, what you'll be getting. I totally forgot that this was in this box. All right, so because this is I have a brush like this already, but not the real diamond brush. I got mine from Shein. Alright, let's open. I've never used this brand before. So this is for like your silk press, I assume. If you know this brand, let me know in the comments. I got a headband. It's really cute. I'm not sure what I'm gonna match with it as yet, but I know I'll definitely find something. This one now is Curl Goals Moisture Lock and Leave-In Conditioner. It also helps to detangle, and it says it gives extra moisture for your curls. I'm not familiar with this brand. I've heard about it, but I haven't used it before. So this CurlBox is actually a mixture of different brands for a salon look. So whether you're doing like a silk press or a curly hairstyle, then this is what this box is for. Okay, it's definitely moisturizing though. I can tell from this that using this, your hair will definitely be moisturized after applying this. Nourish and Shine, I've heard a lot of good things about this brand. So this is the Curl Liquid Primer for waves and curls. It says it have sunflower and honey. So I've never used this before, liquid gel curl primer. Not really sure what this is about, but let's see. Hey, you gotta be careful when you're using this. That's all I can say. But it's very moisturizing. It smells really nice. So next in the box is the Lavender Mint Overnight Moisture Therapy. Brand is actually Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Lavender Mint Overnight Moisture Therapy. It says that it restores hair and enhances sleep quality. So if you have problems sleeping and also hair problems, then definitely use this. Jokes. This is the Kenviti Itch Calming Serum Packet. So if you have a dry itchy scalp, so I guess you can definitely try this out. I don't think this can actually do my whole head. This is Sexy Hair Healthy Tri-Wheat Leave-In Conditioner. I've never heard of this brand before, so I don't know what to really say about it, other than it's a heat protectant, a thermal protection up to 450. So I guess you can actually spray this on your hair before you blow dry. Okay, so the last thing in the box is the Denman brush D3, and it has 7 rows. So if you know the Denman brush, this is a really good brush. You can use it for styling, for definition, for shaping your curls, and it's best to use on wet hair. Okay guys, so that is the box for September 22 CurlBox. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you've tried these products before, or if you know any of the brands, and don't forget to hit the share button. Thank you again so much for watching. Until next time, bye.